Play it cool in the neighborhood. Playing cool in the neighborhood. Do. Oh yeah, blinky blinky, good idea. Alright, I-O, it's off to work I go. Okay, try to avoid the yard debris people here. Alright, hopefully some of the problems with the chin cam pointing way down have been solved. VHB that Chin Mounts provides was starting to fail a little bit because of the way I gotta have the camera set. Alright, let's trust we go in our own lanes. So the problem with the original VHB tape that Chin provided with their mount, it started to fail at the top and was letting the camera point down. And unfortunately, with my camera set up, I gotta have it at the top of the camera touching the helmet to actually get a good straightforward view, and you guys don't get a good view of the road, 10, 15 feet in front of me. Trying a new mic location. And the guys at the vape shop I go to, they do 3D printing. They make some pretty cool stuff there. So, they actually made me up a couple prototype mounts to, VHB on the inside of the helmet, up by the chin. So hopefully things are a little quieter and more intelligible. Granted, I might have to enunciate myself better in life. I don't know. My wife always says I mumble. So hopefully my new VHB tape that I did will work a little better holding this camera up. Because I just didn't see spending $10 for, 3 inches of VHB from Chin. Not when I got work that they have rolls of the stuff. It's not the exact stuff they use that Chin sends, but that's okay. You don't need to buy the exact stuff sometimes. Alright, which way do I go? Where do I want to be? I don't think it matters. The light's going to be green. I'll get some people passed up here. Hopefully everybody stays on their side of the solid white line. Alright, rough patches. God, they need to do something. Turn, Sean, turn! God, I can't wait till they repave that section. It needs it bad. It needs it something fierce. Thanks for running right up. I don't like this tanker hauler right there. I don't like it one little bitsy. I was going to complain about those 2 trucks up here, but they're not doing teabag, actually. Techstar Enterprises. That sounds like you should be in Texas. Not up here, buddy. Anywho's, part of me's like, I don't really need to go to work today, but I'm greedy. I want the money. And one of the boys, since he doesn't do Amazon, I reluctantly, since I ended up with gift cards going to Amazon, yeah, he wanted himself a bunch of ducks, little resin ducks, to play this game right here. Well, to get it there earlier, I kind of went, yeah, maybe I should embrace my Florida man. Get some pink flamingos to spread some joy with. And plus it got it here this morning before I left, so I'm not sitting on his delivery, over the weekend. Gotta go do the real work tomorrow. Joy. Well, maybe I'll get to do something fun. Maybe knock out those frames that they want. Oh well. I just work there. I'm a monkey in the circus. Good turn signal, buddy. Might not have been able to see it with that bike sitting there blocking everything. Wonder what somebody dribbled all over the road. And yay, we got a driver in the left-hand lane that, they're still going at a decent clip. They're not really doing 84 speeds though. Okay, what's Audi gonna do? They're getting slowed down. Drop the gear because some people can't stand G-force. Let's see how this merging's gonna go. What do we got? What do we got? Honestly, we ain't got a lot. One thing I don't want to do is hang out here behind the septic truck. I don't want him to have a spill. Might be a kind of crappy situation. God, this feels so much better than driving. Okay, box vanny boy. Make sure I'm actually in as much visibility of him as possible. What's going on up front? Yeah, I see brake lights in the center. I just want to get to work and home alive. Do. Ladybug camper top on that truck. That was kind of funny. They say keep Portland weird. Yeah, can we just keep it weird instead? That's all I care about. Ooh, look at that. They mowing. Mow. For all you people that say that's horrible, you can't cut grass that long. You got to knock it down in a couple inch increments. Well, this grass has been growing here for decades. They do this all the time. For the lawn care experts out there. Eric is stinky. Why did we all of a sudden get all bunchied up here? Well, all in all, considering, I'd like to push it more, but I don't know. I think premeditation here, considering, is probably the better option. A little patience. Well, I was expecting everybody to get that close that quick. Okay, I'm going to slip in front, behind this here Subi. Yeah, dude, I'm coming over. What's happening with that light? Oh, that figures. C'est la vie, I caught the red. Oh yeah. Might be a good idea. Just cancel your turn signal, Bucky. So rude. I'm surprised I made that green. Okay, what's Creeper there doing? You're creeping! Avoid the dip, avoid the manhole covers, or are they personhole covers now? We would hate to assume their identity. Syndromes the enemy never slew ya. Avoid the big divots up here.